Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and VEVOR did send over this AirShot controller kit and compensated us to take a quick video. But if you tow, haul, or just want a smoother ride, this AirShot controller kit from VEVOR might be what you're looking for. It does have a 12-volt onboard air compressor system and can support up to 100 psi. So it's great for air suspension setups from about 2,500 pounds all the way up to 7,500 pounds. It's really great if you need like quick adjustments because the system inflates your air springs quick, keeping your ride smooth and level no matter what kind of load you have on it. The control is super easy. You can adjust it remotely or with like the in-vehicle pressure gauge, and the system automatically maintains your preset pressure. Installation was pretty simple and straightforward. Just be sure you follow the guide and keep hoses and wires 6 inches away from any heat sources. With its single pass system, air pressure is evenly distributed between both air springs, so it makes towing and hauling very stable from what we have seen when we have used it. It is built for the road. This kit comes with heat-resistant cables and leak-proof air hoses, a long-lasting, reliable performance. Upgrade your system with this VEVOR AirShot controller kit for a smoother, more controlled ride, and I really hope this video helps.